The 511 First Responder High-Vis Jacket combines ultimate high-vis protection from the elements with an outstanding functional and versatile design. This jacket meets ANSI Class 3 standards and is designed to be fully seam-sealed and waterproof while remaining breathable. The First Responder High-Vis Jacket is bloodborne pathogen resistant and has the added versatility of a removable soft-shell liner that can be worn separately and has removable sleeves. Storm flaps on the chest and adjustable cuffs on the wrist will keep you protected from the elements. The hood can be rolled up or removed completely. There's a full-length underarm quick-zip system to access your sidearm. The 3M Scotchlite reflective tape keeps you visible in low-light conditions. Gripper patches at the shoulders help keep your gear secure. The mic loops help keep you connected. The ID panels at the chest and back allow for department identification, and the 2 chest panels can be removed. Lower hand warmer pockets at the front provide added comfort. Internal storage compartments can be found in the outer shell as well as the inner liner. This jacket uses prim snaps and YKK zippers. This is the 511 First Responder High-Vis Jacket.